Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very classy because it contains a wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidery design patterns, latest unique silk ribbon embroidery, ribbon work, hand embroidery, thread embroidery, wool embroidery, and a very wide variety of latest, beautiful, and unique creative designer style design ideas. All of these are usually made on face masks, but you can not only make these designs very beautiful and pretty patterns onto face masks as well, but you can make these patterns onto a large variety of items, onto a large variety of stuff as well. That is, creativity comes where idea starts, and idea comes where vision blemishes. So this is the main thought purpose, and this is the main perspective, and this is the main reason why which we are discussing it, because when we will not be needing, or the face mask will not be in demand, the pandemic situation would be resolved, then why we will still have these design ideas? The answer to this question is again very easy and very simple at the same time, that you can simply make these patterns onto your dress designing, onto your accessories, cushion covers, pillow covers, glass covers, bags, as shirt designing, and much more different type of accessory things. But the time is about current needs, and current need says that we must have something that gives us a paved way towards our health safety, and at the same time it could maintain our class as well. So to maintain a beautiful and classy look, we must need to get some creative ideas, to have some very beautiful patterns. And the beauty of these whole designs is that they are not only based on one sort of hand art, that is hand embroidery, but different design patterns have been shown, like hand embroidery, machine embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, satin work. Even you can also use dull and matte satin ribbon, silk ribbon, wool, anchor, DMC, butterfly, and different type of threads as per your choices. But before going into the further details and depth, that which type of embroidery stitches could be used, which type of embroidery stitches are being used, I have a simple request to you. Kindly please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube family members. And kindly do make a habit of commenting below my videos. Please leave your comments below my videos, because your comments is the only way of our communication, and I can get ideas, and I could remain updated about what you feel about these design ideas, about my content, and what you want me to show you, to share with you. So please stay connected and stay tuned. So now let's move back. Now we will discuss about the hand embroidery stitches which could be used to very beautifully design these patterns. And the embroidery stitches, for filling, for a bigger filling, you must use satin stitch or Mexican embroidery as well. For smaller leaves, you use lazy daisy stitch or a fishbone stitch, and for leaves you use a lazy daisy stitch, and I guess you must use for small leaves lazy daisy, and for bigger leaves must use fly stitch or fishbone stitch, because all of these stitch goes very well. And for filling dots or a dotted filling, use French knot. And exactly, you can use these hand embroidery stitches with thread, wool, and as well as exactly these stitches with your silk ribbon or ribbon as well. So thank you so much for watching. This was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed these very design ideas beautifully, because these ideas are very creative, and all of these design ideas are totally based on designer style masks. And the theme of the whole video collection is totally based on one color, that is black color, because black masks are very in, they are very trendy, and they are in a very massive demand, because black is the color that absorbs every impurity in it, and dust, dirt, and stains are not being shown, and it looks classy, fresh, and beautiful throughout your whole day, throughout your whole wear. And one more thing, these are very lightweight, washable, these are very comfortable with elastic ear loops and with a supporting nose wire, and they are suitable for every age group, for girls, boys, men, women, adults, and kids as well. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel, in my new videos, with my new content. Up till then, take care of yourself, stay blessed. Jazakallah for watching.